Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you could join me today. Thanks for stopping by. I have been crafting, and as I said before, I am playing around with my stash, with some of the things that I have in my stash to make things with. So I had made a trip up to the Dollar Tree, and I was looking through the Dollar Tree and I was like, wow. So what I found, which I thought was really just great, this Dollar Tree, if you haven't seen it yet, when you go to the Dollar Tree, it's this Dollar Tree, they have these lovely patterns. This the Dollar Tree, it's the Main Street peel and stick wallpaper. And on the back, they show you all kinds of things that you can do with it. But for me, and us crafters, we always look at things and go, what can we do in our craft room with it? So they had this beautiful butterfly paper. That is just pretty. They had this like a cherry blossom type tree. My Dollar Tree had. They had this marble one. You know, I think I may go back and get a few more, and I may cover my desk with it. And they had this one with the leaves and the vines. So in the craft room, you can think of all kinds of things to do with it. So let me show you some of the stuff I decided to do with it. So I went to my shelf and I took out this Eileen Hall Scoreboards extra large die. And this is one of the dies that it's like, you can use like heavy materials with it and stuff like that. And this one is called the storage box. So I took my peel and stick and I made the storage box with it. And I added some flowers and butterflies, and it opens up, it's hinged. All of this comes with the box, and I added that to the back. And I used the peel and stick wallpaper as the cover. So I made that with it. And then sometimes I like to have a little tiny book in my purse, so I covered my tiny book with it. So I have a tiny book for my purse. I stick in there just the right things, and that's covered with the peel and stick wallpaper, and it came out pretty cute. The next thing I decided, I go, let me see what else I can stick that on. So I had a magnet, and I said, okay, let's see how it looks on the magnet. So I put one of the Tim Holtz bees on it. I colored it with some alcohol ink. I looked through my words and it says, today is full of possibilities. Enjoy the moment, start today. So I used a magnet. Then I always like to have a little book. And if your kids have books and you have to do book covers, you can kind of put this peel and stick on top of the book to get a better book cover. So I have this little book, and I like to do the pocket searches. So I decided, why have that ugly cover on it when I can cover it with my peel and stick? So that's what I did, and so now I got this nice looking peel and stick. And then I said, okay, now Jay, what more can you do? So I decided to use it in a birthday card. So I cut out some layers. And there's that peel and stick there, and I did some embossing, added happy birthday, and I got a birthday card. So when you see the stuff at that peel and stick at the dollar store, pick it up, because once you get it inside your craft room, you'll see that there's lots of stuff that you can do. So from cards to little books, to book covers, to magnet, to boxes. You can do a lot of stuff with that peel and stick, and it all sticks down so nicely, and it all looks so good. In the comments, tell me what you think about it, and if you've seen the peel and stick, and if you're going to use it in your craft room, and give me an idea of what you would use it for. Let me say thank you for joining me today. I'll see you all in my next video. I'm still working with my my dyes that I haven't used in a while, so I'm getting those out. So you'll see me do a few more of those things. But thanks for stopping by. See you all later. Have a wonderful weekend. And 4th of July is coming up. Don't forget to take care of yourselves, take care of your family. Remember that self-care isn't selfish. And I was watching a Celine Dion thing, and it was talking about her stiff person syndrome. And she was singing a song, and the song said, you don't have to move mountains, you just got to keep moving. So I kind of like that, and I'll probably use that as my tagline in here sometimes. But that's how we got to be. You don't have to move a mountain. You just got to keep moving and taking care of yourself. So I'll see you all in the next video. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, press that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as one of my subscribers. I'll see you all later. Bye now.